guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naz Arora. So today I am doing a very different video. I don't know if you guys would like to see it, but a lot of you keep on requesting me for such videos. So I thought I would do one. A lot of you keep asking about what kind of bras do I wear under all types of outfits, because heavy busted people sometimes do not it is not easy for them to go braless, so you guys keep asking me options. So today I thought finally I would give in to your request and film this video. Before anything, it's showreel time. And I have got some bras from Clovia, and I thought I would show you guys. I've just recently shopped from Clovia, so I thought I would show you guys what bra I wear under what top. Without wasting any time, let's begin with the video. So guys, the first one is this multi-way t-shirt bra from Clovia, and this is a very basic normal bra, and it can be worn under any outfit basically. Any outfit in the sense of your basic outfits. So for example, if you're wearing a t-shirt or a top, you can wear this. You can see how sturdy it is. There's no wiring underneath. It is padded, and I feel it is one color. Nude is one color everybody should invest in. So this was mine is a size 36C in Clovia. It varies from brand to brand a little, but for Clovia I chose 36C. So this is what it looks like. It is amazing. It gives me full coverage and there's no popping of extra skin from here. It has a huge band, so which is supportive for somebody with big bust like me. So yeah, you could go for this multi-way t-shirt bra from Clovia in a nude shade, which works with almost anything, any basic outfit of yours.
This is how a t-shirt bra looks. It gives you that perfect support and comfort that you require on day-to-day basis, and it works under most clothing.
Guys, next is something for people who love to be fit. This is a sports bra. I'm somebody who wears my sports bra with a legging, and I can literally like work out. This is quite long also. It just does not come under the bust. It's longer in length, so you can wear it like a regular crop top, and this is what it looks like. This is also a size this is a size L, but if I want just comfort, like there is just a minor size issue, not much. So if I want comfort, then it's another thing. I'm wearing a size L, guys, in this. This is a sports bra, so this is what it looks like. The fitting is great. I think this is something if you're going for running or you're going to your gym, a sports bra is a must-have.
You can now use my Clovia partner code DIGI5. No minimum cart value required, valid for lifetime. If you want to pay online, use coupon code online3.
Guys, next is this balconette bra. It's in black color. It just simply lifts your chest further, and it gives a very nice shape to your chest. So yeah, this is something. Black color is a mandate again. So this is just very good when it comes to lifting. It's non-wired, so if you see, there is just pure padding and it's non-wired. It has quite a good support, like the strap is not very thin if you're big breasted, so you can use this one to just lift your boobs up a little.
So this is what a balconette bra is looking on me. It is giving me that perfect lift. I love it.
So next is this demi cup bra. This is a wired bra in the first place. So this is the multi-way t-shirt bra. So if any of your tops has a low cut, you can wear this underneath. If you see, the center is pretty deep and it is half cup. Demi means half, so it's a half cup bra. It's not a full cup. So yeah, you can wear it with low cuts. So this is perfect for that, and it's a multi-way bra, so you can use it in any format. The straps are also removable, like you can crisscross, detach the way you like, or maybe you'll wear like a single alternate neck strap. So this is what it looks like.
This is how a demi cup bra looks like.
So guys, next is this blue bralette. It has a white strap. I wear bralettes over my tops. If you've seen my Instagram, you would realize that. So this is a bralette that you can use it more like a corset top kind of thing. It has a halter neck detailing, so this one is pretty loose to me. So I cinched it to the corner so that it could be tighter. And yeah, this is also in size 36C. All of the bras that I have ordered are in a size 36C, but this I do not wear underneath. I wear it over my basics, so just to enhance them a little more like that. So yeah, this is the next bralette that I ordered. So guys, last but not the least is this. This is again a denim cup. This is a padded bra. It's push-up level 1. So if you want to lift your chest a little more further or your boobs a little further, it has a firm push-up, which is great for those who like push-up bras. And this is a level 1 push-up, and it's non-wired, so that is even best. Like, you won't get any marks or something. I am personally one person who does not prefer wiring easily because my skin is very sensitive. So yeah, you see accordingly. And this is a level 1 push-up. This is again 36C, and this is amazing for your party dresses or something like that where you want to just lift. But this is non-detachable, so you have to keep in mind what dresses what bras you're ordering and what you're wearing on the dress. But it does have a low cut, so it can suffice to the fact that you can wear your low cuts above it.
So this is what my push-up bra looks like. It looks stunning. It gives me that perfect lift that I want, and it's low cut, so it works under most clothing.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you find such videos informative, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would come with more informative videos very soon. Bye!